My goal is welcoming guests with their whole physical presence. That means they are in a way the actors when they come into the rooms, and we are only preparing a stage. I try to melt in and work with the different tools, which is video, light, sound, and make it a full journey. Pixel Forest has 3,000 dots in the room and is addressed. That means you can clearly see an abstract image going through the forest, and it's also a humoristic reaction to virtual reality. When they give us the glasses, we have the three-dimensional feeling, but we are more isolated than before. And here it's like the wish to walk literally through an image together.